Okay, we're in fire station number 12 here. We're about to take a look at the Pierce fire apparatus. Get a good look at this thing. Do a walk around of this thing. The Pierce Aero XT 100-foot ladder truck. There's the 100-foot ladder, the massive ladder on this thing. Side lights, there's a name on it named Rick. Fort Wayne Fire. Yes. There's the Fed. There's the Federal. Brand spanking new Federal. Got Wayland's siren. So when did you guys end up getting this one?
Maybe 2 weeks.
Really? Nice. Air horns. Loudspeaker. And another air horn. And another view of the Fed.